Hello everyone, I am Rohini Kadgave. I am from Osmanabad, Maharashtra. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology in 2024. After my graduation, I was looking for a job, but I didn't get any good opportunity. Then one of my friends suggested me about the Evision. Then I contacted the HR team. They clearly guided me about the program. So in February 2025, I joined Evision 45 days internship program. During my internship, I learned a lot of things like N+, CCNA, virtualization, Windows administration, ITIL, and the most important, hands-on experience on the troubleshooting skills. Their support and guidance really helped me a lot to crack my interview, and I am happy to share that I got selected at iSource Infosystem with the package of 2.72 LPA as a system engineer. I am truly thankful to entire Evision team, HR trainers and the placement team for their constant support. If you are looking to start your career in IT, I highly recommended you to join the Evision. You will definitely get the right guidance and the good opportunity there. Thank you everyone.